Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nurul Atia binti Azman and my metric number is 204230 and my partner is Nur Inshira Azila and her metric number is 202882. And our project is about robot vacuum cleaner. We run the MATLAB and our partner will explain about our project.
We have 4 input, 21 rows and 1 output. This is input amount of tasks. We have 3 categories, which is less, medium, and more. The second input is flow condition. We have 3 categories, dry, damp, and wet. Next input is rotation. Rotation has 3 categories, which is less, medium, and more. The last input is battery, battery has 3 categories. This is low, half, and full. Next, we go to output. Our output is cleaning. Cleaning has 3 categories, which is bad, moderate, and good. This is our rules. We have 21 rules for our project. And this is a 3-dimensional surface of our group and for our project. And the last one is a rules view of robot vacuum cleaner.
This is our code in Java. So I will run the code. There are 4 inputs, which are condition, condition graph, rotation graph, battery graph, and dust amount of dust. And this is the output, which is a cleaning.
That's all from our group. Thank you.